Hey everyone, today we will learn how to install Maven on M1 Macs. Let's start off with the version command to see if this Mac already has Maven. We don't, so what we'll do is we'll go ahead and search for the Maven install command on Homebrew. And the method that we're using over here is using the Homebrew. On the same page, if you scroll down, you'll see the details of the processes and the OS supported. We'll copy this and we'll go back to the terminal. Once back in the terminal, this should install first update Homebrew and then install Maven on a computer. I'll give it a second. Now since we're done, we're gonna use the version command again to see if Maven is installed. And right now here you can see the Maven version is displayed in the terminal. Thanks everybody for watching, and have a nice day.